We're out in the river tonight. We're just drifting. It's really high still. This river doesn't seem to want to drop this year. We're just drifting up into some trees right here. And this is the first walleye we caught, and this is what we're targeting. But also we have caught this nice 12 and 11 inch black crappie. Nice crappie. That'll be some good eating. And we caught this white bass. Nice, like probably 12-inch white bass. So we at least got some dinner. And we need to get us out of this shit, which we're gonna fish on. I wonder if you just cast a bobber up in here. The question is, do I have a bobber ready? This is smallie. This fish is big, whatever it is. It's shaking its head, it's fighting like a smallie. The sheep pad? Oh, it is a sheep pad. Do we got this on video? Yes, we do. We gotta get the net out. We gotta get our net. Sheep pad! And we're up in the brush too. Because of the fucking sheep. Because of the sheep pad. Sheep pad. Dinker. Bite today. We got 2 dink walleyes, a white bass, a crappie, and the sheep pad. And it's downright miserable out here. Like 20-mile-an-hour wind and 45 and rainy. Not fun. So this was fishing from Tuesday night. It was absolute miserable conditions. I put a new prop on my boat, but it just still didn't fix everything that was right with it, what sucked. But I did manage to catch a few fish. And this weekend's opening weekend of trout season, so I'm going to go trout fishing tomorrow. I might go out muskie fishing. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing this weekend fishing-wise, other than going trout fishing tomorrow. Today I had my PhD defense and I passed. So this next weekend to finish making the edits the people on my committee suggested for my defense before I submit it to the grad school at UW-Madison. And then I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to be looking for jobs, and I'll keep you updated on that. So thanks for watching this video.